Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue. Hard drive is not found. Any kind of error related to the hard drive I will cover in this video. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, we need to make sure that the hard drive is detecting inside our BIOS. So in order to check that, you need to properly shut down your system. Hold the power key for 10 seconds and then turn it on. Okay, once you turn it on, press F2 continuously like this, and we will run the diagnostic now. Now you will see here the diagnostic option. So go to the hard drive. So we need to make sure that the hard drive is okay. From here, select the hard drive, hit enter. Okay, now from here you will see two options. So select the first option, quick check, hit enter. Now this will scan the hard drive is detecting and there is no problem with your hard drive. So now you can see the smart check is passed and short DST test in a progress. So we need to wait here now. If hard drive is not accessible in the BIOS, it will show here and you are not able to run the hard drive diagnostic. So in this case, you need to reattach it firmly and then try to again run this diagnostic test. Now test in a 65, time remaining you can see here also, and make sure these two tests should be passed here. If any kind of error you get it, you just need to replace the hard drive. This is the clear thing you need to do. There is a hardware issue with your hard drive. If both tests are passed here, we need to follow the further steps. Okay, now you can see here the test. Smart check is passed, short DST passed. You need to make sure that the both tests are passed here. But in my case, I don't have any issue with my laptop. That's why both are passed. If anyone is failed, you have to replace the hard drive. That's the clear thing. If both tests are passed here, we need to go to the further steps. Okay, so we need to go to the back. Okay, and exit. Once you exit, continually press F10 key on keyboard. Yes. Okay, now you need to press F10 key like this. Continuously hit this. And I have set the password in the BIOS. So let me enter here. Okay, you should be able to see the windows like this. So now you need to go to the system configuration, this tab, and once you go to the system configuration, go to the boot options here, this option, hit enter to expand that. Now you will see here the legacy support. Okay, just you need to hit enter and just disable this and hit enter and select yes, hit enter. Now we have disabled the legacy support. If legacy support is already disabled, you need to enable that. And once you enable that option, we need to press F10 on our keyboard. This is the F10. As you can see here, the F10 save and exit. So let me press F10 here. And we need to click on enter, yes. Exit and saving changes. Now you need to enter here 1081. So 1081 1081, and once you enter 801, complete the change, and once hit enter, now your issue should resolve now. So if your issue is still not resolved, we need to go to the step 3. In the step 3, we need to set our laptop or the system is factory default. The factory default setting is the default setting which is enabled by default on the hardware. So we need to enable that option so that the issue can be resolved. Now let me turn it on and again F10 key continuously. Okay, again access the BIOS with the F10 key and go to the system configuration and again go to the boot options here, hit enter, and once you hit enter you can also choose this option legacy support and just you can enable this option and click on yes with the right arrow key and make sure secure boot should be disabled when you enable the legacy support. Okay, and also go to this option which says OS boot manager, hit enter. Now you can see the SSD is showing here, hard drive details is showing here. That means that the hard drive is detecting, which I have already told you. Okay, so you can also switch the legacy support to disable, and if it is disabled already you can enable that option and then save exit changes with the F10 key. If nothing is working, you will be able to see here the F9 setup defaults. So you need to press whatever key you are showing. It should be F9 on the HP laptop. Now load defaults, yes. Now F10 and save exit and enter yes. Now with the default load settings your issue should fix. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. Hard drive is not showing, hard drive is not detecting in the HP laptop. Hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.